All right, guys. So some of you guys might still be having a problem with your Ethernet connection dropping on your computer randomly. Keeps turning on and off. So this is another thing that it could be. I'm going to show you what I got going on here. So I'm at a client's office and their internet connection will be working, and all of a sudden it will stop working. They try restarting the Comcast modem. It'll work for a little bit, then it'll stop working randomly. It'll show that they don't have any internet connection, and you'll get the page that says, a website can't be found. So this connection has been working for over a year now without being, reset or anything. So it was kind of odd that it stopped working. So when I came in, I reset the modem, did the whole power cycle the sonic wall. It worked for a day. Came in this morning, it's down again. All right. So what it turned out to be was this port right here went bad. I plugged it into this port. You can see it's flashing green, means it's connected at a gigabyte. And this one was actually flashing yellow and green, which didn't make sense because I have it plugged into my sonic wall and I have this port configured for full duplex at a gig. So once I did that, everything came back up and running. I'm waiting here to make sure that it doesn't shut down again. I'm gonna check tomorrow just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure that was the problem. Because what happened was it was flashing yellow and green, then it completely stopped flashing. There's no lights on the back of my modem and no lights in the front of my sonic wall. So if you're having a problem where your connection just randomly shuts down, try changing the port. It doesn't matter which port you put it into. You'll still get a dynamic, or if you have a static IP address, it'll still you'll still get your IP addresses. So don't worry about that. Just switch the port, try that out, and let me know if that helps you guys out. I'll see you guys on the next video.